Yeah, what I like about this inscription in Mactan Shrine, no, very direct, straightforward, historical narration. No? Ito yung pictures, oh. Ang ganda ng pictures dito. Naglaban yung mga native of Mactan. Kala nila yung mga Pilipino hindi lumalaban, no? So andyan, no? So at the center is the Great Lapu-Lapu, no? Slaying the Portuguese navigator Magellan, no? Labanan nila. Nakatikim sila ngayon. At dito mismo yung very direct na narrative, no? Let's read yung very direct na narrative. Lapu-Lapu, here on 27 April 1521, Lapu-Lapu and his men repulse the Spanish invaders, no? Killing their leader Ferdinand Magellan. Thus, Lapu-Lapu became the first Filipino to have repelled European aggression. Yan, no? Ganda, dali sila ngayon. Yan, picture. So we're in Mactan Shrine. Makita mo sa dyan, no? Outside is the parang inayos na statue of the great native chieftain Lapu-Lapu. So we're here in Mactan Shrine, no? So I'm 50% local native of this place because my mother is an indigenous. She grew up, no? Yung parents niya is from this place also, no? In Mactan Island, in Lapu-Lapu in particular. She grew up in Babaguno. Sa likod, meron pa lang sa likod, eh, no? This about no, wounded si Ferdinand Magellan. Sa historical books kasi natin, mas sikat si Magellan kaysa kay Lapu-Lapu, eh, no? So dito pala they anchored here at Sanlúcar de Barrameda. Yung first na circumnavigation, it happened on September on 1522. Okay, last picture of this, the great fight.